Good morning, friend. Here our fifth lesson, expansion formulae is going on. In this lesson, we saw the formulas. The first expansion is x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. The second expansion we saw a plus b bracket cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. After that we saw the third expansion of a minus b bracket cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We saw these three expansions. Also we saw how to find out the cube of numbers. Then after that we saw the simplification of these two brackets. Also you can write this formula like this: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. These two formulas are same here, a cube, b cube. Only instead of a square b plus 3ab square, we took here common term 3ab and inside the bracket a plus b. These two formulas are same. Also this formula also we can write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. These two formulas are same. See this a cube minus b cube. Only from these two terms will common out the 3ab outside the bracket. So inside the bracket there is a minus b. Now let's see, today we are going to see the fourth expansion, a plus b plus c bracket square. Means there are the three terms inside the bracket. A plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Means square of all terms, after that 2 into product of first two terms plus 2 into product of last two terms plus 2 into product of first and last term. Learn these all formulas. These are very important formulas. Where you study at home, there make a chart, write this formula on this chart and stick it there. Okay, then it will be learned. Now let's see the example on this fourth formula. First, p plus q plus 3 bracket square. Here in this bracket, value of a is a p, value of b is a q and value of c is a 3. Then by using formula a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now put the values in this formula. p plus q plus 3 bracket square is equal to a square means p square plus b square means q square and plus c square means 3 square plus 2 into ab, that is p into q, plus 2 into bc, that is q into 3, plus 2 ac, it means 2 into p into 3. So p square plus q square plus 9 is equal to 2pq plus 6q plus 6p. This is the answer of p plus q plus 3 bracket square. Let's see the one more example. 2p plus 3m plus 4n bracket square. Here in this example, the value of a is a 2p, value of b is a 3m and value of c is a 4n. 2p, 3n and 4n. By using formula, a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. 2p plus 3m plus 4n bracket square is equal to square of first term 2p square, square of second term 3m square and square of third term, that is 4n square, plus 2 into 2p into 3m plus 2 into 3m into 4n plus 2 into 2p into 4n. Square is 4p square plus 9m square plus 16n square plus 2 to the 4 and 4 3 the 12pm plus 3 4 the 12 into 2, that is 24mn plus 16pn. This is the expansion of 4p plus 3n plus 4n bracket square.